not that many cars that make my hands sweat. I don't know how they made this thing road legal. Nothing looks legal about this car. Wow, what a car. Absolutely amazing. Exhilarating. And this car just hugs you and just wants you to push the limits of every corner. What I love about this car is it looks illegal. It just doesn't look like it belongs on a regular streets. And the size of the intakes, the size of the wing, the diffuser, just everything about this car is big, just massive. So some of the cool things about the car is, of course, the water bottle. Oh, it's really cool. Don't ask how much. I can't believe I paid $7,000 for this bottle. At least it's matching paint to the exterior. But what's cool, you put this right here, you fill it up with your water, Dr. Pepper, and hopefully not alcohol. It's all motorized, and it comes with a little hose, and you put it in your mouth, and you just click this button, and it'll squirt it right into your mouth. Coolest part, the start button. I think it needs 2 touches. Whoa, you see that? That's pretty cool. Come on, what's going on? So when you push the race mode, this thing goes down. Oh, it's actually over here. So you have more visibility. You got your control over here. It's really wide open. And you got these cool glass on the doors where you have visibility on the road. Especially if you're coming out of a driveway and you got some curbs, you want to make sure you don't bang up your rims. So you got even more visibility on the doors. And I really like this display tilting. So now it's in regular mode. And what's cool, when you go into the race mode, this thing clunkers down all the way to the floor. Let's try that. Here's a race button. Now it's going to the race mode, clunkering down. So why this spec? This is in memory of McLaren Senna when he first won his first Formula One race for McLaren. That was 1988. He was driving a Marlboro livery, same exact colors, and it was car number 12. And this is called Rocket Red, but it's really orange. And I wanted to have something unique in his memory. And he was a legend, obviously, and this was his first race that he won with McLaren. And I wanted to just do something special for him since the car is named after Senna. And I think it came out beautifully. It's a little too crazy of colors in the middle of my other collection, but because it is a race car and I got as much carbon fiber I could on the car, even including the roof line, the scoop, I think that was like $60,000 or $70,000 option, but I wanted as much carbon fiber exposed in gloss finish so it can make the car pop with this Rocket Red. So I have close to $250,000 in options on this car. That includes this number 12, the two-tone color, and this is not a sticker, it's a paint. I think it cost me close to $30,000 to have the number 12s put in. The car normally comes in with matte carbon finish for interior. I wanted it to match the exterior, so I had all the carbon fiber done in gloss, including some of the areas in the car like the roof scoop and the roof lining that comes in just paint, and I had that done in carbon. And aside from that and a $7,000 drinking bottle, you got other cool features in the car that I had done to match the paint, like the shocks on the doors. I got the I got the 6-point race seatbelt system on there, and some of the little features you see that was matched to the exterior paint. So I hope you enjoyed the preview of my McLaren Senna. There is a ton more cool videos coming in the future, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.